This math question looks complicated, but it is very easy to solve. Watch and see how we solve this mathematical problem in seconds. First of all, we need to understand that when you have two fractions with a plus or minus sign in between, the way to evaluate is to go ahead to look for your LCM. You find the LCM of the denominators. In this case, our denominators are 3 and 7. So we draw this line and look for our LCM. The LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. I had done a previous video on LCM. You can do well to check that in our playlist. Alright, now we've gotten the LCM of 3 and 7 as 21. What do we do next? We simply say 21 here divided by 3 gives us 7. So that 7, we can multiply it with y. 7 multiplied by y gives us 7y minus. The same thing applies on the other side. 21 divided by 7 gives us 3. And we multiply our y by 3. So that becomes 3y. Remember, we have equal to 12 on the outside. We'll leave that like that. 7y, when 3y is deducted from 7y, we are left with 4y. So 4y over 21 is equal to 12. Now, here comes the next step. We need to find the value of y, but then when we have two numbers, two fractions with an equal to sign, we will need to cross multiply. How do we make 12 a fraction? We simply drop 1 underneath it. So at this point, it is a fraction. 12 divided by 1 is still 12. So when we cross multiply here, we are left with 4y multiplied by 1. 4y multiplied by 1 is equal to 21 multiplied by 12. Did you get it up to this point? If you haven't gotten it, please do well to rewatch the video so that every step will be very clear to you. So where we stopped here beneath the board is that 4y, let me rewrite that, 4y is equal to 21 times 12, because 4y times 1 gives us 4y. I don't want to evaluate this for a reason. Follow me and see what we do next. For us to get y to stand on its own, the coefficient of y, which is 4 here, will be divided through both sides. So we divide both sides by 4, divide both sides by 4. So 4 goes off here. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1. Then 4 divides 12. And this is what? 3. Good. So our y becomes 21 times 3. And then our final answer becomes y is equal to 63. Very easy. I have to break this down so that you can understand. But if you are given this in an examination, you can actually solve this in seconds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more math videos like this.